Hey guys, be quiet. I'm doing a ASMR.
Parang audio sound.
Today.
Audio sound.
I'm gonna be doing ASMR. Squishy.
Kahit saan.
The dumbest, you don't know how to talk in ASMR.
Pwede naman dito. Badalo. Tatanong.
Lula. ASMR. But just eat.
Mukhang dun sa'yo sa Mabulo, bro.
Today, we're gonna be doing ASMR. Today, we're going to do ASMR. Squish your needle. Squish your needles. Squish your needles. My friend here is gonna be helping me.
Ang laki tayo.
And but why did you talk?
Dito, pwede pa tong kung ano yung pwedeng laro. Ay, gusto mo ba?
My own booger. My own booger.
Ay, din. Ano yan?
Pati yun yan, ba yung pinaglalaro?
Tanggal stress mo? Nasa stress ako sa nag-kit.
This is a. Why did you? Squishy.
Teka,
Are we gonna play Nido?
ano bang ano?
Are we going to play Nido eating
Pag natuto yung mga bata sa
Play-Doh? We're gonna play Nido. And we play Play-Doh. We live in the house. And we live in the Philippines. Don't stretch it.
Kay Den, bring the white paper bag ha, anak. Kay Den.
Okay. It's there. It's here. Hold this. I'll hold this. I'm doing an ASMR. I'm doing an ASMR. It's like my
Andres, yung phone mo.
Oh. I'm doing this to ASMR.
Bayad na daw. 14. Waste lang ha.
And Rex, can I just hold this? ASMR in the pickleball. ASMR in the pickleball. Hold this.
Saan ba nagbabayad?
Dito.
Magkano?
Hold this.
1,000 sa akin na ito.
Magkano? Che, ito muna.
Eto na.
Ay?
What do they have here?
Ito na yung tubig pag ano. Yung tubig dito, 100.
ASMR in the pickleball. Now end the video.